Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree Wix YouTube tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to hide elements in your mobile editor Wix site. So we'll go ahead and get started. So as you can see in front of us, we've been building a website, and as you can see we haven't optimized it for mobile design yet, but I'm going to be showing you how you can and how you can also hide some elements within the site. So as you can see, I'm actually just getting started here. So here we have our header and our mobile menu. So as you can see, this is a great example actually as well. So since we have a drop down menu already for our actual site, we sort of want to get rid of the one that's on here. So the way you could do that is by hiding elements like so, as you can see, and then that means that elements like this you can easily place in, and you could try to make it the exact same, which we'll go ahead and do so. See, we can try to get something similar and close to what we had. So just like this, and we can customize that so it's color black. So just like so, and we can get rid of the white spacing, which we'll do now. Okay, and then we'll just drag it as strip up, and we'll do again. Okay. So as you can see here, a couple of bits and pieces are a little bit messed up, and usually you would want to just hide some areas away. So how would you go about trying to do that? So okay, so we'll use another example. So that menu was a pretty good example for it. Let's just say there's bits in your website you don't want to show for this. So say this video here, as you can see, it's just cut and you can't really see anything. You can either right click it and hide, or you can just hide section from mobile just by clicking on that, and it'll go away, as you can see. Of course, the site will require some adjustment as well. So as you can see here, there's another one, there's a container box. If you want to even just get rid of not just a section, but of an area, just say, here's an element here that I want to get rid of. Instead of hiding the actual thing, you could just hide the container box, as you can see. And same goes for this as well. If you want to hide a strip, you could do so like that. And on the left side here as well, it shows you what ones that are hidden on mobile. So it says that currently on all pages, these are the ones that have been hidden, and you can show them as well if you want to. But anything you do to the mobile does not affect the desktop. But if it is vice versa, anything that you do on desktop will affect the mobile. So yes, that should wrap up the video. That's just a quick little tutorial on how to hide some areas. So here you go. I'll just do one there. As you can see, you can hide elements like that, and you can make them appear again if you want to, like that. It's just like magic. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the video at all, just leave them down in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll see you for the next one. Thank you very much.